Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Amit Singh and I'm a hair transplant surgeon based in Dehradun. REVERT Hair Transplant Center is the name of our clinic and we are doing hair transplants in Dehradun for the past 10 years. We are using technique which is called feather touch hair transplant, which is a modification of DHI hair transplant, which is presently the best and the latest technique by which hair transplants are done worldwide. Hair transplant, due to surgical advancements, has the best results nowadays. In spite of having very good results, the persons who are undergoing hair transplants undergo an extended period of frustration and anxiety after getting a hair transplant, because most of the people are confused about the timeline for hair growth after hair transplant. They are not told beforehand what can they expect the growth to happen, after how many days or months the actual growth happens, and when can they expect a full result of a head full of hair that is coarse, dense after hair transplant. What is the time duration at which they will find that result? So in this video, I will be telling the exact timeline when you can expect a hair growth. So when you get your hair transplant done, after the procedure is complete, the hair roots that we have transplanted goes beneath the skin. The hairs that are attached to that hair root, 1 to 4 hairs can emerge from a single hair root. So that hair, that 5 mm of hair, you will notice outside the skin. When you go home with the hair transplant, the patient gets very happy to see the hairs over the bald area, but that happiness stays for just a month, because within a month the hair that you see outside the scalp usually falls off within a month, because after a hair transplant, the hair roots that are transplanted goes into a resting phase. It undergoes a shedding phase within a month. The hair falls off, and it takes at least 3 to 4 months for the blood supply to come to those hair roots beneath the skin. You will not notice any activity or hair growth outside of the scalp. Nobody will be able to make out whether hairs are growing or not. Everything is happening beneath the skin. The blood supply improves over that area within the duration of 3 to 4 months. And after 3 months, you will start noticing very thin hairs over the transplanted area. A person seeing you from outside, or even you, if you watch yourself in the mirror, you will not notice those hairs. But when you just touch that area with your hand, you will feel the tiny hair roots, the hairs that will be seen emerging from the scalp. The hair growth will start from 3 to 4 months. These will be thin to start with. They will gradually undergo the increase in length and increase in thickness as well. And so gradually by 8th to 9th month, you will find an appreciable hair growth. By that time, you will be able to part your hair with a comb, and the other people who are interacting with you will be able to appreciate the hair growth in that area. But for the hair to attain full thickness as well as the length, it takes around at least 1 year. And in some people, it may take around 1.5 years as well for the full result to come. So the only thing, the most enduring and the most troubling thing for a hair transplant, for a person who has got his hair transplant done, is the waiting time of 1 to 1.5 years for the full result to come. But that is how God has made us. The nature has decided the time duration of hair growth, so we cannot escape that fact. So you have to be patient enough, do whatever is required to do during that time period. We advise use minoxidil and finasteride for 1 year for the full result to come. Do that, wait patiently, and you will get a very good result. A time will surely come when you will be able to style your hair as you were dreaming for a long time. I am quite sure that the information that I have given to you in this video, this piece of information, I have been doing hair transplant since the last 15 years. The most troubling part for me as a hair transplant surgeon is also to convince the people, the patients who got a transplant done by us, to convince them that they have to wait for that time duration, because they always get influenced by different people telling different stories to them. So this video is especially made for those people to abolish the confusion they have in their minds. If you have further queries regarding hair transplant and other hair loss treatments, you subscribe to our channel. If you have certain queries, you can post that query in the comment section of this video, or you can direct WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number. We have displayed the number in this video. You subscribe to our channel. We will continue to post relevant information regarding hair transplant and various hair loss treatment in this channel only. This is Dr. Amit Singh signing off.